Hello and welcome. It's Tracey here, one half of the Curly Scenes podcasting duo. Last week, the other half of the duo, that's Emma, did a tutorial about how to produce a tessellating quilting design. The tessellating design is really simple but very, very effective, and Emma does a sterling job in expertly telling you how you can recreate it for yourself. So if you haven't seen it already, I'm going to pop a link up here for you to hop along and take a look. I think you'll really enjoy it. In today's tutorial, we continue with the theme of the tessellating square, but we're going to move it in a different direction. We're going to head off into the digital world as we use a software program called Adobe Illustrator to produce a digital drawing of the tessellating square that Emma produced in Stitch last week. Once I have this digital drawing, I can then use it to produce a digitized quilting design that my computerized quilting machine can stitch out for me. I'm not going to go into that part of it, I'm just going to do the front end part of it that looks at Adobe Illustrator and how we can produce what is called the paradox square. If you are interested in Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to be using the distort and transform functions. And if you haven't used these functions before, I think you'll find they're incredibly simple but very, very effective, just like the tessellating square that Emma produced in Stitch last week. So let's move over to the tutorial. What you will see is an in-screen recording of me working on my computer using Adobe Illustrator to draw the paradox square. At the end of the tutorial, which is probably 2 to 3 minutes long, you will see that I've got the final design all drawn up. If you'd like a copy of this design to print out and then use as a colouring chart, you will find a link to that down below in the notes. If you do any colouring or maybe some Zentangle work within the different areas of the paradox square, then please let us know. Send us a copy of your work, we'd love to see it. In fact, use the hashtag curly tessellations and put an image on Instagram, that'd be great. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you like what you've seen today, then please give us a thumbs up, give us that like. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment. We love to read comments. We read them all and we will reply. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye.